Right, this is the graphics card I'm going for. It's Radeon DH 78050. The reason I've gone for this graphics card is the motherboard supports Crossfire and not SL1s. The reason why I've gone for Radeon rather than Nvidia. And it's slightly cheaper. It's a sub £200 graphics card at the moment, which is the 14th of August. Sorry, it is one of the sort of cheaper graphics card, but for what I want, I was looking in one of the magazines, and it's gonna run most of the games that I want to, full settings, 55 frames, So for me, this is more than enough. Plus, in a couple of years' time, what I'll probably end up doing, what I might do, is I might get a second graphics card exactly the same as this one, stick it on the motherboard, see how that goes. Problem with that is the motherboard only has one PCI 16 slot. It's got another PCI slot that runs a bit slower, but we'll see how that goes. Cool. I've also got I've got 8 gig, two 4 gig DDR3 RAM slots. They run at 1600 whatever it is, so 1600 megahertz. Yeah, so that's the memory I've got. I've got this solid state hard drive. It's a Samsung 128 gigabyte. Might be a bit overkill, but for what I want, it's spot on. Microsoft Windows 7. Thermotake. This is the power supply. This is a 630 watt power supply. Again, might be a bit too much, but hey, it's pretty good. Some cable ties, a SATA cable. Now I actually need to replace this with a SATA 3.0 cable. This is my Blu-ray drive that I got because I want to watch Blu-rays. Because the missus, I can watch Blu-rays on my PlayStation, but quite often the missus is watching TV, so I can't really do that. And this is the mechanical hard drive. It's Seagate Barracuda 500 gigabyte. Let's try and see if I can see the run there. No, it doesn't say whether it's 540 or 740 or whatever. 7. Never mind. Don't really care, because to be honest, I've got the cheapest hard drive in the shop, and or the cheapest mechanical hard drive in the shop. And I'm probably going to replace this in a couple of months' time for something more expensive. What else have I got? Right, this is a fan I've got. It's basically it's the standard one on a custom PC. But if you look at the custom PC magazine, you look at the mid-range, this is the fan they recommend, so that's why I chose that. Same with the power supply actually. Power supply, the motherboard, the SSD were all standard on the custom PC build. I've gone for a better processor, I've gone for a slightly worse graphics card, just for reasons I've mentioned. Yeah.